So over here, you can see that I have Affinity design right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to transfer it out, that is import it out into Canva. So I can go ahead and export and then re-import it back to Canva. But in Affinity, there is an option to directly send it into Canva as well. So to do that, all you need to do is go to the File menu and then go to Export right here. And once you do that, here you can see that you can go ahead and select Export. And over here on the bottom, Canva Design is an option. Simply go ahead and select, and there isn't any option right here. So you can see that to Canva is an option. You can go ahead and select Exports right here, just like this. You can go to Export, go to Upload, so it is exported in Canva Uploads. So you can simply go ahead and choose Show in Browser, so that when it completes out export, then it automatically opens up Canva. So let me just go ahead and click on Export right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and say OK. And then it actually opens up the browser, as you can see right here, with that particular design right here. The design is actually exported separately, and it is now in Canva right here, just like this. And you can use this as an element. Even if you were to not select the open in browser, you would still be able to find it under the upload section right here. So under over here, you will be able to go and find this out. So this is the project, as you can see right here. So I can go around over here onto design, and here you can see the star design right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and then utilize the export to Canva feature directly from Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.